Hi, my name is Marvin. I was injured working offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. After a couple of shoulder surgeries, I interviewed some attorneys and ended up here with V&B. And Brian and Vuk had my case. They actually had my back. And we've gone through the process and ended up, rather than going to trial, we went through mediation. The results were good for me. I don't really think I'll ever work again. I'm old enough to draw my 401 and the monies that we got from the plaintiff or the defendant, that we're doing good, and I'm extremely happy with this firm. They made plane arrangements for me. They made transportation, ground transportation arrangements for me. Put me up in the lodging. They've been nothing but super. And these two guys, they're pretty much absolute barracudas. They're tough. And they certainly had my back, and Miss Patty had their back, so that made it all real smooth and slick and comfortable. If you're injured offshore, you want to talk to these guys because they are absolutely the best.